Meet Boneca Ambalabu, the chaotic frog from the Italian brain-rot meme universe. Also known online as Frog Tire or Frog Wheel, this 3D printed collectible captures the absurd charm of brain-rot culture. It features movable legs, vibrant colors, and a fun, quirky design that perfectly fits any meme lover's shelf. From where you are watching this video, write in the comments Introducing Burbaloni Luliloli, the latest craze for collectors and pop culture enthusiasts. The Burbaloni Luliloli figurine stands out with its unusual appearance and moving elements. Its large size, characteristic form, and strong construction make it look perfect on a shelf, desk, or as a creative gift. Write in the comments which character you want to see in next video. Meet Frigo Camelo, a unique Italian brain rot character. This fun figurine features a camel with a fridge for a body and big boots on its feet. The head and legs are movable, making it perfect for imaginative play. Frigo Camelo is a playful, collectible toy that sparks creativity and joy. Comment which color I should use in next video.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.